All right, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Jacob Robledo, and I'm wanting to do my presentation over the website I've created for this semester for COMMS 310. So just to go over the details of the website I've created, this website here, purely designed on Divi, which was a great opportunity to understand how to use your code for HTML, or not more of HTML, it's more of CSS, and manage those type of codes and upload them towards the Divi child theme, and from there updating the CSS on that theme only to make it adjusted towards your touch. And from what I've done, I've designed a mock-up to show how the website should look from the beginning, and then from there presenting how like each section showing an item of information that'd be valuable for the viewer, explaining some details and what they can do to qualify and such. So this is my website. So it's not much, but it's what I've got prepared as a presentation. So everything works from the welcome to the about us, how to qualify, locations, and contact us, which is all fully functional tabs. So yeah, so the main purpose of the website, this was an idea I've had in the past about apartments, giving back towards those who are lower income. I'd say it's a great idea, and that it could be polished and improved upon. But just thinking about it, if there were existing apartments to benefit those who are low income, who are trying to save money for their future or trying to recover from debt, things like that, or just getting their lives back together, this would be a great location to do so. It would be a great test of the power of the will of the people, for those who are struggling to continue in life, or those who want to make a better life. And it shows when they make their payments and such. So the whole scenario of the website is, the business or the operations would be that these are apartments that give back to society, that improves economic lives and financial goals. Our goals is to help them improve their life from financially, mentally, and career-wise, so they can achieve their goals. Well, if they go to school, they have this place to go to make that possible. With these opportunities for them available to save money, which is the biggest offering we provide as a company, that these people can benefit off of these from low costly or inexpensive apartment living. And in the end, this whole apartment is run by its own, so no one from the outside, like the owners, will be taking any income. This system, it pays for itself. Yes, in general, like this would be a great idea if it ever existed, or people who are needing assistant help with financial needs, that this would definitely improve their needs and give them a better quality of life, so that they can improve their way of living, and in the future that they can set goals to find a brighter, better living situation, instead of sticking around and mourning for their losses and such, whereas one can take the opportunity that they're given to make a difference in their life and choose to be better. For the designing, I really think that this was a great setup for design. I feel like the light color, like teal color would be great invitation for the viewer, I believe, to help them feel welcomed, to feel that this is a place of progress to help improve, that they may, have a higher living quality and a sense of hope, friendliness of hope that they can experience when they're here living in this location. So overall, I like the color schemes, using all the adjustments on Divi, and we're going towards the elements just to see the differences of each section and editing each section out, which is really helpful. I really love this option of editing your own website towards your own way. It's really great. I really enjoyed this project a lot. So I'm going to try out the mobile device feature, not mobile device, just to like see how it changes the format. So when I go down here, yeah, it shows that the drop-down menu is here. And there's the welcome, about us, everything seems to be aligned up middle. I know the Google is not working. I'm not sure how to fix that, but that was an issue I tried to fix, but that wasn't my biggest concern since it is some technical side to work on that end. But in the end, so mobile device items seem to be adjusting quite well whenever changing the size of the viewport. So everything centers once once everything gets squeezed. So seems like it does really well on changing sizes. Same as the image, it does keep its size. Doesn't get distorted when it goes smaller. So I think that's a great sign that it works it's mobile friendly and desktop friendly and tablet friendly. But yes, and then in the end of this whole semester, I really enjoyed using Divi. I was a little hesitant at the beginning due to its weird setup and unfamiliar user interface to build up websites and such. With Divi, it gives me a different aspect or different perspective. If I want to customize my own website my own way, Divi probably would be the best option to do so, which I never used Divi before, but it was great that this semester taught me how to use another website building platform, which is a great tool, I'd say, in the end. If you don't have any accesses to other options of web builders, I think Divi would be a good go-to option. I currently use Elementor as a web builder option, which is great. I'd say it's great for presentation-wise, easy to plug in each section with code or with elements. But yeah, that's a whole totally different platform. But for Divi, I think it's great because the simplicity it has and simplicity of editing, creating things like that is for just editing the CSS side. It seems really nice. But the biggest thing of all is just using the inspect console to look at each section and find the codes, which you can alter and force that to change colors instead of the web builder doing that for you. So I think that's a great knowledge to understand, to know that this is an option available, and you can create your child theme. So you copy pretty much the same theme, but you make a child theme of your own and make it work on behalf of your own customization. But in the end, I really enjoyed this semester. It was really fun learning how to use WordPress in different formats, a different way. It really helped me understand, how to create links or one linked in one page, and just going at it, creating a website, and then putting a website into practice, and putting it into design. I really enjoyed this whole semester. I really loved everything about it. It was my favorite class out of all I've had this semester, and sadly, this is my last semester, and I'm grateful that I've had the time to learn these wonderful classes that I've wish I took before, but I'm glad I took them now just to have a good send off of the best courses in this from BYU Idaho. I'm really grateful for your patience and giving me the feedback needed, and I hope that I can use this knowledge and apply it to my workplace in the future. But I really appreciate being with you all this semester, and wish you luck on the future semesters you teach. And you have a good one, brother. Have a good evening and a safe semester break. Thank you.